How to fix ChatGPT error in message stream issue. If you're getting the error in message stream issue, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is start a new chat. If you are getting this error in the existing chat, simply click on the new chat option and check if that error is occurring in the new chat. If it is, then the next thing you want to do is update your ChatGPT app. For that, click on the Microsoft Store icon. Then search for ChatGPT. Now if you find the update option, click on that and update it. Now check if your problem is solved. If not, then you want to disable any VPN. If you have VPN enabled, make sure to disable that. Now the next thing you want to do is right click on Network, then select Properties. Now click on Change Adapter Settings. Right click and select Properties. Now click on the option of Internet Protocol version 4, then select Properties. Now select Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, you want to enter 8888. Now for alternate DNS server, type 8844 and click on OK. Now check if your problem is fixed, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.